my jacket off because I wasn't sure if you could see the color against the black. I don't know, so I took it off just in case. Just in case. Jaheim voice. Is it just in case? Just in case I don't make it home tonight. Wanna treat this moment like the last. That's Jaheim, right? Just in case, just in case. Yes it is. All right, now I gotta go. Okay, bye. Alright guys, so I'm coming at you guys with another hair dyeing tutorial. You guys know I've been loving Ali Julia, so I was sent this straight hair and I'm super excited to do it because if you haven't seen my last 2 dye videos with Ali Julia hair, you will see why I have fell in love with their hair. This time I got straight hair because I think I want to do something like, you know, spiffy. So let's see what the hair looks like. Guys, so this is all the bundles. As you can see, lots of bounce and lots of movement. Like literally this hair is so freaking soft. Like leave a comment below if you have actually purchased any Ali Julia hair because seriously you guys, this hair is super affordable and like literally they have not failed me yet with their hair. Like their quality is so bomb. Alright, so now that I have all of them laid out, we're gonna begin bleaching them. Oh my god, this hair is so soft. Alright, so I'll be starting off by using my Salon Care 30 Volume Developer, my Clairol Basic White. Then I have a couple, well not a couple, I have a few Manic Panics as you can see. I have 5 bottles. I definitely won't need all of these. I have 2 colors. I have Shocking Blue and After Midnight. All the products that you see in this tutorial will be in my Amazon shop. So it's super easy to get all the products because they'll be readily available. The link is in the description box below. All right, I'm gonna start with 3 scoops of bleach. Don't be like me, definitely wear gloves. Then I'm gonna add enough developer in order to have a nice creamy mixture. I like to do ombres just because I feel like it's easier to blend my baby hair. So that's why I don't usually dye the whole shaft of the hair. I'm just gonna start at the end and make sure you get the ends of the hair and work my way up. And as you get to the top of the hair, make sure you're going in a linear direction, like so. As you get to the top of the hair, make sure you're going in a linear direction like this so that you don't have a nasty line of demarcation. Make sure you get in between the hair as well, because sometimes you think you bleached the whole thing because the outside's covered, but in the inside there's still a lot of hair that needs to be covered. Like as you can see, the inside still has so much that needs to be bleached. Alright, so I'm gonna leave these 2 to process now for 45 minutes and then I'm gonna start another mixture for those and then I'll be back. So for the frontal, as you could see, I didn't have one clear line. I kind of used the brush to go in a linear formation like this so that there's no line of demarcation. Alright, so it's been 45 minutes, so I'm gonna start off by rinsing these first 2 bundles. So I'm starting off by rinsing out these bundles. I'm going to be shampooing again with my Afro G shampoo for damaged hair. And even if this hair is not curly, I'm still going to use this Ion Curl hair because I like how it moisturizes the hair. Shampoo and condition this hair and leave the conditioner on for about an hour. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I did, but first for the 2 bundles and the closure, I used 2 bottles of the After Midnight by Manic Panic, and I just used a tint brush just to cover it. You'll see me do this with the other 2 bundles on the right hand side. Both the colors, After Midnight and Shocking Blue, are available in my Amazon shop, so check the description box below for that link, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so I have about this much of the After Midnight. I'm going to go ahead and add the Shocking Blue. And then once I do that, I'm just gonna finish up these last 2 bundles with the mixture of the Shocking Blue and whatever's left of the After Midnight. Okay, so just disregard me. I was just trying to get the remaining product out of this bottle, so I was just dabbing it on the hair. So start by using the Shocking Blue and just working it through the hair. It's very important that you cover not only the outside of the hair, but work that product in between the hair as well, because hunty, there is hair like that is in the middle that you can't see that's not covered. So make sure you work that product in. But pretty much just make sure you get in there. Get in there, hunty, get in there, because those blonde spots is there. Did want to mention that I went over the frontal with After Midnight first, but then I almost completely covered it with the Shocking Blue because I only wanted a little bit of the After Midnight to show through. So now I am about to rinse this hair. I'm just going to rinse with cold water until the water pretty much runs clear. It might not run completely clear, but until it runs like pretty close to clear. And then after that, I'm just going to let the hair air dry, and then I'll show you what it looks like. For anybody wondering how much hair I lost, this is from all 4 bundles and the closure. So I wanted to show the difference in color between the 2 hairs. So this is the Shocking Blue and this is the After Midnight. So the After Midnight definitely has more of like a greenish undertone than the Shocking Blue. So if you want something that is more on the blue, midnight blue side, I would go with the Shocking Blue. If you want something that's a little bit like more out there, I would say get the After Midnight. But that's why I'm mixing the 2, because I was going for some dimension. So don't mind the hair, it's been like thrown around and stuff like that. I still have to like make a unit. As for the closure, it was mixed with both Shocking Blue and After Midnight. So as you can see, there's some After Midnight highlights within it, but overall it kind of has the Shocking Blue color, which I like because it's very dimensional. But yeah, I'm loving this color. All right, let me show off my hair now. Let me show it off. Let me know if you like my hair and my hair color. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Snapchat at JamaicanBeauty and Instagram at iamLindaElaine. Check out Julia Hair's information in the description box below, and I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you later.